Alright guys, I went to the pet store today and bought some fish to put in with my turtle. Here's how to properly put in your fish with your in your fish tank. You're gonna place the bag inside with your normal water to get it up to temperature so you're not shocking your fish. So you'll do something like this, and then once the temperature after a couple hours is the same temperature in the bag as within your aquarium right here, you will take the minnows out, and then you will I see the turtle is upside down. You will open the bag, put the minnows inside there, or whatever type of fish you're doing, and throw it away. Make sure not to make sure whatever water is inside the bag you don't put it inside your aquarium to contaminate your water you already have existing. It could cause a lot of problems with your aquarium if you don't.